and welcome. You're watching NDTV Profit. I am Mahima Vachhrajani. Hatsun Agro is on focus today on the backs of Q3 earnings. The number look really positive, and we have with us Mr. R.G. Chandramogan, Chairman of Hatsun Agro, with us today. Mr. Chandramogan, congratulations on the extremely positive numbers. The numbers look quite good operationally. Just wanted to know if they've met your internal expectations. Also, we've seen double-digit volume growth, double-digit growth overall. Can you just give me the bifurcation in terms of volumes and pricing that has given this kind of growth to you?
See, this particular quarter has been doing it well without the commodity sales. In the last 9 months, in the last year, we have done a commodity sale, that is milk powder and other things, to a tune of 400 crores, which this 9 months we have done only 100. And the best of the quarters are yet to come because we have accumulated the stock. And last year probably it was inflation which was really hitting us on the wrong side. Now the inflation is under moderation, and these numbers are likely to only improve further from here.
Okay, and also just an idea about the segment-wise breakup, if you can just give me some kind of breakup. I believe ice cream is one of your products with the highest margins. If you can just give me what kind of breakup did you see in this quarter?
See, ice cream is heavily affected this particular season because of the heavy rains, storm after storm coming and hitting the shores of entire South India. So segment-wise, probably I don't have the numbers right now, but probably ice cream has been affected. We expect the ice cream to do better in the month of January, February, March.
Okay, and also the milk prices have been quite volatile, and we've seen that last quarter there was a shortage in terms of milk supply as well. Has this quarter been better in terms of that, both prices and in terms of supply?
No. See, last year the prices were volatile, not this year. Actually, last year the prices were up because we came out of 2 years of COVID and the demand picked up and the milk supply didn't pick up. Okay. Actually, the animal was not equipped to just give so much of milk. That created a lot of inflation last year. That inflation has to be adjusted in selling price. That was happening during this period. It didn't happen the way that normally it happens. This year, probably we don't expect inflation. There is a milk surplus available. And we already hit more than 40 lakhs liters of procurement. So we have enough stock and the cost is under control.
Okay, and in terms of margins, we've seen that your margins have been approximately 11.2% for this quarter. Do you plan to maintain these margins going forward, or do you think that your margins will increase in the coming quarters?
Coming quarter, it can slightly be much better than what this particular quarter is, because probably our ice cream and curd sales will improve in the month of January, February, March compared to this season. We don't expect purchase prices to be volatile. So hence, probably the margins can be a little better than what it is. And the sales should also be better because we are entering into close to summer. March will be very hot and the sales of ice cream and curd will be much better than what we have experienced in October, November, December, which has been completely rainy here.
Okay, and if you can just give me an outlook in terms of your both top line and bottom line for the coming quarters or maybe for coming years, what is the number that you're aiming at?
We may cross 2,000 crores without any difficulty for this quarter and with a little better profit. Profit I am not able to say immediately because we will also be spending on advertisement and all that. But definitely as a growth as well as margins can improve in this quarter compared to the last quarter.
Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time, Mr. Chandramogan, and giving us your exclusive interview with NDTV Profit.
Thank you. Thank you.